Hello everybody, like I say, I'm gonna make the zucchini paneer because in the last dish I made these potatoes with the garlic, lemon juice and rosemary. And now I'm gonna make complete dish today without meat. It's gonna be paneer and zucchini, and then I'm gonna make with courgette, cucumber and tomato and paprika, some kind of the salad. I'm gonna use lemon juice and a little oil. For the paneer is a classic, is going the flour, the paneer and eggs. I'm gonna take now first eggs, just shake them a little. What I use, I take 1 tablespoon of the vegeta, I add inside in I like to make paneer with this because I like this taste. You can also use the salt or pepper, is up to you. If you can find and buy in Belgium, it's possible. I'm buying also here. And yet you can do it in this way. Maybe a little pepper. Now we're gonna peel also the zucchini. We're just gonna peel them. It's going very fast. Okay. Just take a knife. Cut this piece. Beginning and the end, we don't need them. Now I just cut the zucchini now like half centimeter, like this. We're gonna add them here inside because I'm gonna put the salt because I wanna try to remove maximum what is possible water from the zucchini before I'm gonna do next step. Here's still half, another one, I can use the most. And the rest is for chicken behind the house. Okay, like I say, now we're gonna use the salt. Just shake them a little. Okay, it's enough. I just put a plate here under them. This water is going to the plate. That's all for now, and we're gonna wait for maybe 15-20 minutes for this, and then you're gonna come back to do this paneer. Normally it's a classic flour, eggs, and then in paneer, and then direct in deep oil today. And then for the end, I'm gonna make the salad. Stay with me, see you later. Okay, now I have a time. Like I said, I add here salt for zucchini to remove the water. I have a time now to make some fast salad. I just cut and clean the paprika. I'm just gonna cut this paprika in smaller pieces. Very easy, simple salad and top taste. I like this salad really. Use every paprika, yellow, green, red. I just took now from my fridge one yellow. Cut in pieces how you like. Eat little, it's good. You know, from this, I don't need them complete. I'm gonna peel half. It's going very fast, salad, stop. Okay. Move them there. Also for a chicken for later. Chicken. Well, I like to cut them like half and half again. This is how I'm doing it up to you. You make your version. Oh, stand up is more easy. Okay, in a pot. Okay. Now just last. Tomatoes. Maybe one more 3-4 is up to you. So just need a little lemon. Add the lemon juice inside. Feta cheese. And just go the feta on the top. Later I'm gonna add a salt, another way. If I do now, then it's gonna remove all the water from the vegetables, and it's gonna stay sleep here in the water. Just gonna add a little oil now. And salt is gonna wait till the end. It's good. Salad direct in the fridge to wait to the end. See you later. Like you can see, I put the zucchini here on this paper. Is still wet from the salt. It's really moisture is going outside. Just gonna take the extra paper before we start with the paneer, and just to clean a little. Take this extra water from the top. That's all, yeah. For the rest is just classic in flour. I'm gonna do flour, eggs, the eggs in the paneer. I'm gonna first do complete paneer like this and put them here. On this plate I also put a paper. I'm gonna repeat the complete process like this. Just is important to be flour everywhere, then it's gonna be good paneer. Just turn him around, move the rest, turn around one time from the eggs in the paneer. This is how I am doing, it's up to you. Just remove the rest. Okay, then I'm gonna repeat the process complete. And when I'm finished, then we are coming back and it's just a bake. And this is gonna be my complete dish for today. Potatoes with rosemary and garlic and lemon juice. I'm gonna do this paneer zucchini, and then I'm gonna make this. I already made this salad. This is gonna be dish without meat today, only vegetables. Healthy food. See you later. I do complete paneer with my zucchini. Now deep oil. We're gonna bake them. Also I put this pot in the oven to be warm, hot, and now I put the paper also here. And I'm gonna bake zucchini here to do paneer in this deep oil, then to add them here in this pot for this paper is gonna take the oil outside. How to check? Yeah, you can check with this like temperature to check like 160, 170 degrees, or you can take little paneer and just put them inside, and if you're starting these bubbles like this here, then it's actually ready and we're gonna start to bake them. Fire don't need to be strong really for this. Okay. I will start this for the aspirator, for the smoke here, because it's gonna smells other way, complete house on the oil. You don't need strong temperature here, just think when you add them all, then is the time just to turn around complete. It's going very fast and it's super delicious. Sorry. When it's gonna be golden crispy, then it's ready. Just keep temperature like this. Not so strong, because then it's gonna burn the paneer and it's gonna stay still inside. How to say, not cook it, not bake it. And it's the best just to keep the turning around like this, just play a little. That's all what you need to do. Well, this is ready now. Turn around. few times. When it's come to be like this, golden brown, we can move them then outside. This is the first one. I have here to bake for one more. Probably it's gonna be the same. We're just gonna add them now back. Slowly with the base. Again. And that's all. One more time. And then we're gonna taste. See you later. And finish my complete dish. I told you this is gonna be without meat today. Potatoes baked with rosemary, garlic and lemon juice, zucchini, paneer zucchini and one top salad. Stay with me. I'm gonna show you how to make this dish. Easy, super delicious, top. Darling, you are behind the camera, but please tell me what you think.
Crunchy from the outside and creamy from the inside.
Yeah? And potato.
Very good.
And this is your favorite salad. House to believe. That's all, people. Just to finish this day with one good red wine. Živeli, cheers, skål, ciao. Okay, my complete dish is ready for today. Potatoes with rosemary, garlic and lemon juice, zucchini, paneer. I made my salad with cucumber, tomato and paprika with a feta cheese and lemon juice. Complete dish without meat today.